Have you ever tried to stifle a yawn in a meeting, worried you might look bored? Well, what if I told you that yawning is actually your brain's secret weapon? It's not just a sign of sleepiness. When we yawn, we take a deep breath, which increases blood flow and oxygen to the brain. This acts like a mini reboot, cooling down an overworked brain and helping you stay alert. Think of it as your brain's personal cooling system. It also helps stretch your lungs and tissues. So, the next time you feel a yawn coming on, don't fight it. Let it happen. It's your body's natural way of keeping you sharp and focused. What a clever trick, right? If you found this interesting, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more cool facts about your body. Thanks for watching.